Export hierarchy from T-Analyst. To export a hierarchy from T-Analyst from the home page, select the Setup tab. From the Setup page, select Manage Hierarchies. At the top of the page, you will see the options to import and export hierarchy. Select the hierarchy that you would like to export. Select Export Hierarchy. In the Export Hierarchy window, you'll see the options to export the hierarchy in different formats. If you are exporting a hierarchy to make changes and upload it back into T-Analyst, then you must always select CSV for import. If you need to export the hierarchy for other purposes, select More for further options. Next, select which elements you would like to download: Cost Centers, Accounts and Services, Cost Centers and Accounts, or Cost Centers. Select OK to download. The file will appear in your downloads. You can now open it in Microsoft Excel and start making your changes.